So most probably this will be my last vlog. Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. This is 25th of December. Okay, today we are riding on a short route, very Kutti route. Advance New Year wishes to everyone. I was wondering where to go for this weekend because apparently the plan which we had got cancelled due to several reasons. I wanted to go somewhere, so the place where I'm traveling to is around 50 kilometers from my place. I thought, okay, why not, let's do this. The time is 8:45. It's a solo ride, nobody joining with me. This will be my last vlog, yeah, for this year. For 2021, this will be my last vlog, and 2022, let's hope for great things to happen. Yes. So I'm traveling to Isha Yoga Center. I hope you would have heard about it. Yeah, I thought I would go to Kutti, but again the weather there is not keeping good. It's way too cold. This is the Ramanathapuram area. The next stop is Sungam. From there I'll be taking a left, which takes me to Ukram directly. I don't have to go through the railway station. So the weather now is good, I would say, but again by the time I get back, I think I'll be roasted for sure. While getting back, I'll be coming via the bypass, Salem bypass. I would say Coimbatore Corporation has made a lot of effort cleaning up all the ponds, lakes, and making it a good place for people to chill out. It's really nice to see. Good job. So we have crossed the Perur. I don't think we have a hotel in this route. I want to finish my breakfast. Okay, we'll see while coming back. Alright, so we are almost there. I think we'll reach in another 2 minutes. Ticket எதாவது வாங்குங்களா? உள்ள சார். இப்படியா? And here you enter the Isha. Wow. Oh my god, so crowded, man. Everyone, so we are done with the place. It's way too crowded and it was nice visit. So I'm leaving from here now. The plan is we'll have breakfast somewhere and reach home. Okay, bye. The route which I said it will take to the Palakkad bypass. Yeah, I actually forgot where it joins, so I was just recalling it. Unable to do it, but okay. Now I recall this takes to the Kovai Pudur area. And from there it joins the Palakkad bypass. Yes, right. So I believe it's more like around 20 to 25 kilometers to home. No, I think more than that. Maybe 30-35. Okay, this is the Kovai area. Okay, we're entering the bypass now. Alright, I have almost reached home now, so I'll reach in another 5 to 10 minutes. I hope you like this Kutti video, Kutti vlog. As I said, there was no plan. It was a sudden plan and I just started. So, hope you like this video. If you like, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Meet you all next year, and advance happy new year wishes to each and every soul. Have a great one, be safe, take care, see you all next year. Bye bye.